Hi guys, welcome back to Celeb Gossip Entertainment, where we bring you the tea each and every day. Now guys, as we all know that Ebenezer Dibakwane has sadly passed away. He was a comedian, an actor, he was such a great soul. May his beautiful soul rest in peace. So we have been informed, the public, the fans have been informed that he passed away, but people didn't know the cause of death. Was he sick? Was it an accident? And all of that. So I think maybe the family was still, like trying to adjust, trying to, I don't know, just trying to make sense of everything. And then they released a statement stating that Ebenezer Dibakwane has sadly passed away due to committing suicide, guys. Due to committing suicide. It's really sad, it's really sad, like for someone that you see every day making other people laugh, not knowing that person, the person is dealing with a lot. This is the statement that was released by the family. It says, a statement from the Dibakwane family regarding the passing of Ebenezer Dibakwane. It is with heavy hearts that we have to come to terms with the tragic death of our beloved Ebenezer Dibakwane, who passed away on Friday, 7 March 2025 at the age of 31. The past few days have been excruciating for us as we battle to deal with this loss. Preliminary evidence suggests that Ebenezer died by suicide, which we expect will be confirmed by the post-mortem examination. We are immensely grateful for the support, comfort that we have been receiving from many. Ebenezer was well known for the talent of making people laugh, and yet he struggled with depression for a number of years. While his passing is devastating for us and for many who loved him, it is our prayer that this tragedy may remind all of us the need to look out for each other while taking care of our own mental health, including seeking professional help when necessary. Anyone struggling with depression or suicidal thoughts is encouraged to contact the South African Depression and Anxiety Group for free. We would like to thank Abby's friends and colleagues who are organizing various events to honor and remember him by, including the celebration of his life taking place at the Johannesburg or at the Boskop in Johannesburg on Wednesday, 12 March. Funeral service will take place on Friday, 14 March 2025 in Bombela, Nelspruit. So guys, as we have all, heard from the statement, he sadly passed away due to suicide. He has been battling with depression for a long time. And I really like that, they are encouraging people who are dealing with the same to just, like do something about it. Don't just let it take over you. It is really sad. But guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. I will see you on my next one.